Meaning of flux.
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 Flux. Flux refers to the flow of something, such as energy or matter, through a system. It can be used to describe physical phenomena like electric current or fluid dynamics, as well as abstract concepts like social or economic dynamics. Flux is often studied in mathematics, physics, and engineering, where it can be measured and quantified. Understanding flux is important in fields such as environmental science, where it can be used to model ecological systems, and in technology, where it can inform the design of efficient energy or material transfer systems.